I'm always on the lookout for contrasting colours, and streets like these, where these buildings are all painted differently, really appeal to me. So the question is, how do you photograph this in a complementary way? And the natural assumption, if you stood close to a building, is to choose a wide angle or at least a standard lens. But even here with the 1x lens, I'm getting too much of the street and the cars, and they're detracting from what really drew me to this composition in the first place, which are these colourful buildings. So what I'm going to try doing is zooming in. I'm going to try a 2x zoom here and see how that has already cut out the sky, the street and the cars. Is a much bolder composition now. So all I really need to do now is just adjust the camera's position until I get a composition that I like. So the only thing I have to do is move the camera slowly to the left and right and up and down until I get the framing that I'm after. And what I really want to do is fill as much of the frame as possible with this yellow and the blue and the pink door. And I think that's looking pretty good, just about there. Right, I'm pretty pleased with the way that this looks. Let's review the pictures that I've got. In this shot, I've used the standard 1x lens, and as you can see, I've captured way too much of the boring street and these distracting cars alongside it, and there's too much sky in the top right corner too, and all of them are distracting from the main subject here that I wanted to capture, the colourful buildings. Here I've used the 2x zoom to concentrate more on the buildings, and it's certainly cut out most of the sky, the street and the cars to the side, but it's a messy composition. I don't like the way that this window is cut in half, and I'm not that sure about this white house either. I really wanted to concentrate on the blue house and the yellow one. For this shot, I've used the 2x lens to concentrate on the details, but I've adjusted the position to really concentrate on these two buildings, the yellow one and the blue one, without any distractions around it. And I've also been careful not to crop either of these two windows. The thing I really like about this shot is that I've eliminated all distractions. There's no sky, there's minimal pavement here on the street, and it's just about these two really bold colours. And I like the vertical stripe between them, that you've got the yellow occupying about 2/3 of the frame on the left and the blue occupying the final third on the right. This is the shot that I'd post.